Racing just is started. We have Scout Ranger. Break quickly at the start. Pure motion moving upon the outside. Cuts away in the well portion. Miss Manila down on the inside. Fields of Gold. Zing-a-zong. And on the outside. Sail Street. Daredevil Europa comes next. Is Fidi Maki. A gifted champ while Happy Morning is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Scout Ranger by about 2 lengths. And in second is Cuts Away. Fields of Gold is racing in third. Pure Motion moving up down on the inside now is Europa. Is Fidi Maki in the middle portion. Zing-a-zong comes next. Miss Manila. Gifted Jump. Daredevil. Sail Street second less. Well, Happy Morning is still running at the tail of the field. And on the far turn we have Scout Ranger by about 2 lengths. And in second now is Fidi Maki. Europa is down in third. Zing-a-zong, Pure Motion. Miss Manila comes next. Then followed by Cuts Away. Fields of Gold. Gifted Jump. Sail Street. Daredevil. Well, Happy Morning is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Scout Ranger is Fidi Maki now takes command. We have Fidi Maki by our length and a half, followed by Scout Ranger. Zing-a-zong moving up to take third, and finally is Fidi Maki. Scout Ranger, Zing-a-zong, Pure Motion, Europa, and Sail Street for your Super 6.